Odofo, in the full can say, what you know increases your wealth. The winning no, and a man we dear a cosro. A trobi animal. A summer snahonum to be seen there. Even Trocrum crown Christo, I can say, Nindia me minding or more bread. Lack of knowledge, my people suffer. Now we know who billionaires network club. Ain't no one near who named dear. Until to 1 hour suffer. We hear ska or bread. But who baby is scada. Billionaires network club. So the who's a man free a dance for home. And one said, well, register with just 50 Ghana cedis. Or register with 50 Ghana cedis, you know. Young Cassa, Bab walk out of us to me for Subin Nipa 4. About the shawasi. Nipa 4 no mobile. Ubia the sicker or no be registered. A mutant cedis air bound chair. Ain't imagine the more Nipa no ban, no expand. Nipa 4. How much are you making? 400. 40 cedis at once. Nasa almost the 4 bar. Now translating to 16 people. 1,000. Now one in my hand. 160 Ghana cedis. Now call him. Until within just a day, a week, a year. And I was a billionaire. I idea a cost. Not just say, Wababe join the billionaires club run a year, you know, but I did a depa umua, Unyanti, and yes, say, by the way, registered with just 50 Ghana citizens. Ye babe more some financial books or e-books, 4 strong books. I will be seeing Uncle Say good. Wouldn't to me a young Cassa bit me and Crawford, on by yet light interpretation, the amount. I'm what me a seer. Show, send a book can and Kauka. I usually was a bit me books. I talking about finances. Quite fast to me in Yesika. 4, 50 Ghana cedis. Never. Babylonians network club. Scafona, Atiku. And a person expanding my boys. And shoot me yabi. Eti I must can a call from crossing you be a bit me. A register me. One nancy waho. One cotton hair. One tana office. You hear your mobile phone. Mobile phone and 82 are we here for this business. Sabooks near the mono. A betcher of quite the first with Miniska. Quite the first with Minisika shaggy. And entrepreneurship. Quite the one can submit me a beer woman. And a personal development. Quite the first with me, I'm a wood tumpo. One can say a brabo. Books near the mono. First book near entrepreneurship one. A book and in the 4 business and a troll and a amount they were registered. After we register, Nipa be shower so mo baby scano for swa ubinyano books no and we danche. We register no say oh mama ya 5 and I want to can be register. What can't you do me and kind of one kind of muska be shimo. Or more buy and musika no bia 10 cities eba wo nche. Also, the more they do that, then they also get the money. That's it. It works like that. It's better the one who introduce now also read the books, no. When we now also when you need the business, no, I join the billionaires network club. Books at the moment be the dream, personal development, and a monicology one. Until they join here. Books will be now also back in Canada. And a medical kind say, what you know increases your wealth. The winning no, and a man will seek us a costro. Where are they what's it? Just put them. So one enough who put a 2 in common. You can do this work. Instead of so the carbon team, Concordia said, Damia says, pass here. Obaka to be a din command and 50 at on. Won't come on in our initiative, Billionaires Network Club, Charlie. Guys, my share deal with television so. Say na kasafa home who register. Well register no, then you bring them in. You make money out of that. So that you don't just go outside. When you come the next time, your friends will like you. One day uba ha no uba chire your business ya koso. To see yenyeska until you who say we good. Sa no de benya namfo. Ba akwa no the time one omo kokasa akototo entasugu amanfo so kodi ebewie na adan ntokwa. ɛnyɛ saa na ɛfa adamfoɔ nti a billionaires network club aba no introduce you to your friends let them know much about the world their boys no yɛ a ɔmo nye sika no efiri billionaires network club ewiase ɔmo ayɛ adefoɔ kɛse no nyɛ ɔmo pae aboɔ ɛnyɛ ɔmo a ɔmo ɛyɛ adwumaden bi na mmom open nipa akɛsefoɔ ɔmo sika te sɛ Warren Buffett mo Bill Gates Carlos Slim mo Amancio Garcia ɔmo nyinaa bɛte ɔmo din no na ɛyɛ Jeff Bezos mo ɛyɛ technology ne nneɛma a nipa koraa nhyɛ da mfa n'adwene ankɔ so kɛse ehia sɛ ɔbɛte mfifiri ɔmo na ɔmo nya saa sika no Zuckerberg mo ɔmo wɔ sika no nyinaa no ɛyɛ mobile phone ekutakuta ɔmo ne ɔmo internet na ɔmo use no ɛso na mfasoɔ no fiba ɛna ɛna nso aba abɛte about billionaires network club no ɔmo mobile phone kɛkɛ na wohia na ɔde ba abɛwɛke ba bɛnya mfasoɔ bebree ba bɛnya sika bebree de afim enti pick number na ohu screen no na frɛ sɛ wo frɛ na sɛ number no ayɛ busy a wo send wo mobile money no ba so a wobɛtumi asɛnde wo particulars na wode yɛɛ no na wasan send ne text message yɛbɛ reach you na yɛde wadwɔne sɛ yɛ free television no so ɛkyerɛ sɛ we are not working all the time yɛ working number no a wapɛke no nko a ne hia nti we register all the time na wo follow number no enti sɛ da wohwɛ wo screen no so no apɛke number no na hyɛ aseɛ register na bɛjoin the billionaires network club sɛ introduce kyerɛ amanfo a obi di kan tie ɔsɛ adeɛ wei deɛ ɛyɛ adeɛ deɛ ɛyɛ de dodo ntie bi a ɛyɛ scam my friend it is not scam it is not a lie it is true pick and cry we register with 50 Ghana cedis wo mfa so no bɛba enti levels na ɛwɔ mu no level 1 wo de 4 people ba na abɛhyɛ wase level 2 na 16 people aba abɛhyɛ wase sɛ 4 people no a wo de wɔn bɛba no ɔmo so ɔmo nkorɔfoɔ no bɛba ne nyinaa hyɛ wase enti wo de nipa 2 na ba ɔmo so ɔmo de nipa 4 ba saa ɔmo so nkorɔfoɔ no bɛba no 16 people na abɛhyɛ wase nti uduru level 3 a nipa 64 ɛna hyɛ wase uduru level 4 a nipa 256 uduru level 5 a nipa 1024 uduru level 6 a nipa 4096 uduru level 7 a 16384 uduru level 8 a 65536 uduru level 9 a 262144 uduru level 10 de ade na atija 1,048,576 nipa abɛhyɛ wase no we mu yɛ numbers na yɛbobɔ no yɛ translate into cash money sika are certified to work on this business it is time also do sika bɛhyɛ mu just with 50 Ghana cedis na abɛjoin the billionaires network club ɛyɛ something amanfoɔ boys na yɛ ɔmo nya sika bebree wotu fie wotu dam wompie kɔ abɔnten na wo make money wada na sika bagu account it is time to join it is time to make money just register with billionaires network club now also within this within time it is an opportunity for you to make money what your friend number no na say you busy mpa just send your money to it na yanso ye beba wo nkyɛn ye be reach to you na yetumi nso ye no why business na nso ba be ye billionaire it is time also bitimi adwone eye no sell no sell product bia wo romi wo nantenante enkoton ma ade ma mpaboa ase mere mpaboa ase tuntu ontena office nso ma boss bi antumi atiatia utu wo office wa de nyina ye mobile phone just pick number no who screen so na frɛ na nso ntumi join this business now make money what the fan is we register with 50 Ghana cedis na ya ma e-books 4 entrepreneurship 1 the dream personal development na monicology humpe we na there pay you it is time to join the billionaires network club immediately you join you are going to make money the percentage you know are very huge enti it is time to join. Now, so what me about being rich among the rich. You work with billionaires. You work with rich people in Ghana, in Africa, abroad. A network here is kafu ewu wiase bebre na join celebrities ewu. We join your bit me any or more meeting. I also obey a rich person. So it is time to be part of the Billionaires Network Club. Thank you for having time. Thank you for calling. And then you see testimony of people that joined Billionaires Network Club and they are making it big and they are making it huge. Thank you, and thank you to be meeting you now and then.
So we join the Billionaires Network Club. Your dreams be brave, a bit me abamu. When you pabia, when you dreams. Semenya flashy cars. Me ride the aeroplane. Me own big businesses. Me travel around the world. We dream no, and on the doorsteps of Billionaires Network Club. Said they were home TV no sono. Ben hunu nipa bebre omoba mu niam omunye free Billionaires Network Club. Flashy cars celebrities cars. Untumi nya those celebrities cars by just doing the normal work other people do. Na so be join the Billionaires Network Club. Akwanya no ye bebre. Fasune wo no ye bebre. Inti said you who screen is no pick your contact no. Now so aba be join. The one who said the amount for AC make profit out of Billionaires Network Club mo. Ka be onwa. Oda mu kuto mobile phone. We pick a contact now. Now we register with just 50 Ghana cedis. Now when you those 4 books now. Now so I be a member. Now introduce 4 people onto the platform. Now must be introduced 4. Until as and when we introduce the paper, no di ni paper mo we wasan udi mo no. Na edem fa so be brede brew. Nipa 1 bi obeba no so be register same amount no. 10 cedis automatically na finidi no ma be show there na ase into the 4 no ba 40 cedis at once almost some the 444 ba calculate sika wanya wo de wo dan mo ko bebia sa na Billionaires Network Club na work is so profitable we make profit be brave wo mu nti e time am so be join e time dey also do ho be shemu just register now books no kura mpo na de be mo no e-books no be read no kura mpo no Bemo ayodefo. If he says, the medical account, India, a many pyodefo. As knowledge is power. On India, Mutumi. She Casa Mukrano. Yes, when Yatsia Waben. A ben and a say wound India, doubt him with me. At the Aquaba. A brenner do say, and yet the Ahmodim Bune, a Jumanesca. Namu de Aldrin, in Yensa, in India. And a dear Jumanesca. And into a Billionaires Network Club Wabano. To also join. Now also may join the billionaires in this world. Now may rich in your community, rich in your society, in your country, in your town, everywhere you find yourself. So you'll be able to be contributing to the economy and the well-being of the state. Say, Honum Nase, what do you know kind of us be investment? A bit me, ama when someone papa or come. Once dear wuti so ne onante bebria udri no nyina band with Billionaires Network Club investment here making it rich making it momunyiska we are self ana nyina ti wonso fo sika shemu ene you wonderful Billionaires Network Club ni sa opese we invest udu sika shadi bim Now be sikani obey odefo ewiase nyina ma ebodi te ses kafo a wate omudi Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, Carlos Slim, Amancio Garcia ene wona okeka ka ho a ene akwanya na ba ma obey join the Billionaires Network Club with just 50 cedis investment. Ska 50 cedis per o de share sa business where I be introduce to amount ya Ubenya mfaso bubruja bebre woso ntinya adage na tie So register and one say be pick a number no a wo screen no a wo hwe no TV na wo hwe no ani no number na e wo ho no pick here na wa frɛ you be introduced to this Billionaires Network Club. The uhia na say wo mobile phone and one so be start a business and we here dey bia bio one nante enkonkoton ade bia wo mfa awia so wo hia so be kotena office the uhia ye mobile phone na de obeye nie se wunya register be kan Billionaires Network Club no ho a eye Billionaires family no ho a de ubenya na se be ma wo books enan bia e ba be kire okwan de fa so yenye sika kwan de fa so de sika shade mu kwan de fa so yitumi yankona adwuma kwan de fa so yitumi ye adwuma bi tumpon kese o de mfa na se nyamfa so no mpone wa akire no a with just 50 Ghana cedis ubenya saa e-books enan ya yabobo so ye be bobo so akire wi books no ubenya entrepreneurship 1 the dream personal development and monicology 1 ni nyina Billionaires Network Club e de be mo kwa kusua de ubenya fimu bia na ye wode a wanka so de kwa akobɔ wo bra ana de kwa akobie wadwuma na de wa akire no a ubenya free ya ho na ye ba be bobɔ so akire wo yi sa wo be join Billionaires Network Club a usika 50 cedis na wo de register ni books ya yabobo din ya de be ma wo no won so ba mu a ye be kire okwan de fa so a won so bitumi di nipa enan aba be kan ye ho na omo so benya sa mfa so a wo nya ye no bi na so omo ba na so omo ba be register with 50 cedis ya wo no a wo di kan register ya no nipa na o de omo ba no ba ku bia o register 50 cedis ya 10 cedis automatically na aba wo ho no nti emfa no say wo ba ene na o chena utumi di nipa for introduce a omo mfa so no wanya 40 cedis o chena no a abeka wo 50 cedis na o de register ya no any books na de ama we nan na abobodin no ay entrepreneurship 1 the dream personal development monicology 1 eti brede wuti fi a wusua sa books no na wo investment 50 cedis na wo ye no eno anka say wo ba ma wo enti level 1 no nipa ba akwa wo de no ba ya no wanya nipa 4 na wako level 2 no sa ankrofo no a wode omo ba ya no bia nso di nipa 4 ba na akwa 16 people under you nipa dunsia a wo wase na omo nso no bia sika 10 cedi no e ba wo nchen enti 50 cedis e wode register ya wode nipa 4 ba ya no sa ankrofo 4 no nso muso mutumi di nipa 4 ba na omo aba be hye wo wase ayete se di pyramid no na wo anate se factor tree na wo no sa amfa so no nyina ba ho no udru level 3 a nipa 64 na abehye wase na wankasa wo calculate ko udru level 4 a nipa 256 na abehye wase udru level 5 a nipa 1024 abehye wase udru level 6 a nipa 4096 na abehye wase udru level 7 a 16384 na abehye wase udru level 8 a 65536 na abehye wase udru level 9 a nipa 262,144 ebehye wase na udru level 10 dia na wa ye billionaire ubenya nipa 1,048,576 na ba behye wase na ni bia no nipa ba ko bia wo mu bia no 10 cedis e ba behye wase wote ho ye de pick number na wo screen no so we introduce Billionaires Network Club e ma nipa bebrea edi kan no ya na they take it with a little bit of skepticism and an unbelief in it. But I do promise you that Billionaires Network Club is a deal that you can never let go. Now that it's been introduced to you and then you've seen with just 50 cedis and you register, you are going to be rich while sitting in your room, whilst not going out. Many a time you do see people and you say, but why is it that this guy has not been going out, has not been toiling under the sun, has not been working as I do? But all the time is making it big and is making money. My friend, don't sit there and be doing mathematics about them. Do ask them what they do to make that money. Uhuna man for say nipa we dia menene nkofa awia so menene ntu wala tu asa te se dia meme ye no nso abribia ono de onyiska o yese o invest ye oni kwan de ofa so di sika share adwuma bi onim adwuma oye eno na ya na eboa saa oni kro no mo sika na ebi na yede kire no eno na ye Billionaires Network Club. So oba be register we ho a o pick number na ewo o screen no ani no a eno an se be kire o kwan da fa so a obeye no o be register with just 50 cedis ye be ma o link no onipa be pick no obe ma o link no na wa kire se de isi eye no enche bia na wo nso wa ba be ye billionaire te se de mabobo nipa no bibifo nso tumi ya adefo na nso mpempi no ya na ye dwene se kwan fa so anyi sky ye yibi tubo ana be so abo ana be paewia ye be ya ade de ye de ahode na ye na mo se ni sika be sha ade bi ma wo ba ma ye de mpempi ya na yesunya sa ade no into be register ye wo books online e-books ye de be ma wa entrepreneurship one the dream personal development in monicology ye de ma wa eno ane se obehwem na wasua na wanka so de abobra eno achi na wa register wanye saa e-books no kwa ba beka club no ho a nipa 4 be introduce bia no saa nipa 4 no muso omfa so no e ba won chen saa ran so na wosan so enya enipa de omoso saa 4 no do mba nipa be introduce bia no musika no ebia ba ko bi omode beba bia no 10 cedis e ba wakwan so no se de medical aboboso no. So what are you sitting there for? Do pick the number you see on the screen and then you register with us. You join Billionaires Network Club and also become a billionaire yourself. Here you are going to meet more rich people, rich men, billionaires, business people that join this club, and you will never regret it being part of us. Your investment here, nipa nyina di omusika ewuram ene obi apesa oyebi obe join e be kire how to make money, kwan dey faso yin sika, how to invest, kwan dey faso this sika shade mu, entrepreneurship, kwan dey faso be share adwuma ase, personal development, kwan faso bi tumpon ni nyina ye e-books a obenya no ene ya bo obodi no nti wote ho aye den pick number no na wo frɛ a e be kire kwan dey faso atumi aye said wo hwɛ wo screen no so no e wo television so gadget bia wo hwɛ free so no a Billionaires Network Club. You only register with just 50 cedis and you bring 4 people, and the 4 people, each that you introduce, you are going to get 10 cedis amount from the money that they bring. And as and when they bring people and then you come on top, their money also come under you and you just become a billionaire. This is just simple strategy that is going to make you rich. If I were you, I would by now pick my phone, call this number, and then I'll be introduced to, and I become rich, and I also join the rich people. Thank you, and then we look forward to seeing you as you join Billionaires Network Club. Baby will be a shrine. Emma dear CB and Uhunu. Said ye Christo Yesu Kaim. Ubin Sokania and Fan Shakodwase. Namu Odisi. A pronoso, emanation will feel home depending on Hunu. Sana. Billionaires Network Club etie. It is said was Sokania, a sequana so, and we film. A shrine could be a many penny now. It is said you with television and so on. Fanambano. Now free Billionaires Network Club. Now soon register. Now to make a group no. Now we know first will be brave. And I say, we register with just 50 Ghana cedis. Na ube introduce nipa 4 obi anso betua sa amount na ode eba mu na de ede wo mu yese nipa na ode omo ba nipa 4 no introduce omo no obi a sika ode ba no 10 cedis automatically eba wo ho no ansa na ye be ma o sa books no a wo be kan na wonya so mfa so no entrepreneurship one the dream personal development na monicology we nyina ye part of e-books so benya account where they were registered with 50 cedis no about Billionaires Network Club no nti bread obehwe wo screen so na wa pick number na wo hunu no na so we register be join the Billionaires Network Club club oni pa bebre a join ya faso bebre wo so celebrities, footballers, musicians, teachers, police officers, nipa bebre e was a network no ma It is giving them huge employment, benefits, money, and what have you. It is time for you also to join the Billionaires Network Club. It's so profiting, so money making, and also it opens you to much avenues, letting you know more friends, rich people, and you join Billionaires Club world over. Till time I also be register. Now register with Sir Nipa Form be introduced. Nipa be introduced to be also music and eba one so dear no. Sana Billionaires Network Club no. Na juma die no etie. I work roping in more people, bringing in people, and giving you more money. Mpo sa wote down. It is more like a factory. See a show when you join the Billionaires Network Club.